Welcome to another Gradelink websites video. In this tutorial, we're going to go through the process of adding a coupon code for a registration form. In this case, it's a summer camp registration form. In the form, you have the ability to collect payment, and sometimes you'll want to have a coupon code, even possibly to waive the fees entirely. So first step is to log into your site, head over to the dashboard and hover over forms. And what we're going to do here is go to forms and hover over the summer camp registration form, which is the primary form. We don't want to do it on the child forms. So we'll hover over summer camp registration, click on edit. And we can see here there are discounts built in here and a field for coupon code. So the way it's built in, we want to add a discount, and it's going to be conditional based on what is typed into this text field for the coupon code. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and click Add Fields. Scroll down to the pricing fields, and we're going to add a discount. So we can either click and drag or just click it and it'll automatically add it to the bottom of the form. But click and drag to the place where we want it. And we're going to call this discount Free Summer Camp. And the discount amount, we can put in a percentage or a fixed amount. So I'm going to put 100%, so it will discount 100% of the camp fees that are calculated at the end. And we're going to apply the discount to all products. In this case, you can select specific products if you only want to discount specific products. Then the important part here, we're going to go down to the conditional logic tab at the bottom of these form field settings. Enable conditional logic, and this is where we set up the actual code. So we're going to show this field if all of the following match, and it's going to be the coupon code is, and here we can make up a coupon code, summer for free, or free summer. How about free summer? Free summer 24. So we'll put the year on there for good measure. Then we'll click Save Form. Now there is another step, and that is we need to go over, and this is only applies if you're doing 100% free off coupon code. So we need to head over to the Pay Simple payment feed, and that's going to be by hovering Settings, click on Pay Simple, and we see the payment feed here. So we're going to edit that and scroll down to the conditional logic, and we're going to add a conditional statement. So right now it says process this fee if credit card is selected, but we also want to say if coupon code is not, and then we're going to put in the coupon code, which is free summer 24. So therefore, it's only going to run this feed to process a payment if the person selects credit card, which is the default payment method, and coupon code is not free summer. If they put in free summer, you need to have this condition set up, because it will the form will error out if it discounts at 100% and it tries to run the payment feed for $0. It just doesn't like it when it has $0. There's no amount. So in order to prevent that, that's why we have to add this condition for any coupon codes that discount it 100%. So that should be everything we need to do here in order for it to work. So The only remaining thing is to test it out. Again, this is to set up a coupon code, in this case for 100% off of summer camp. If the coupon code only discounts a portion of the total or a certain product and there's still a fee to be paid, then you don't need to follow the second step of adding a condition to the payment feed. That's all there is to it. If you have additional questions, please reach out to Gradelink website support.